you want your Bluetooth speaker?
Please, desperately. Where are they? They're in the bank. I don't want to go in that bank. My compadres are over in the gun shop. Will you tell Wayne to get my stuff out of the bank? Thank you. They're in the gun shop. Will you get my stuff out of the bank? I don't want to go in the bank. I don't want to go back in that bank, sir, and I want my friends to grab it, and we don't know where my friends are. Yeah, definitely. What's that? Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Hey, I don't have keys to this car. I can't leave until Wayne's the older one. In green and gray silver military jacket, but doesn't look military. And then there's Wayne and the other guy, the crackhead. I don't know his name. He is red, and he's wearing all black with a black beanie. Well, he doesn't have the keys. Thank you.
Should watch yourselves. I don't throw eggs, but I got y'all all dodging shells. Moved on to Melrose, I'm rubbing my elbows with people who own record labels and Taco Bells. I'm bout it, I told you I don't care to know you. I ain't gonna roll through, I hate all your new shit. I hated the old you, don't fuck with the records you produced. Everything different. You ain't bout it like I'm bout a boy. I still run your city, and I'm still out of town, boy. Y'all gon' be growing your hair out and tatting your face up and copying records made when I was fresh off a breakup and passing them off as your own, boy, you fake as fuck. Y'all should be afraid now. Y'all should be afraid now. I'ma drop blood. I ain't talking red crayons. Y'all should be afraid now. Y'all should be afraid now. In the air and fire was shot like y'all about to race now. This year, pussy so deep that I'm drowning this year. I ain't gonna do no more features or fuck with you clown boys. I hope that y'all drown in your tears. I've been about it so long. Los Angeles is my new home. I told y'all that you would regret it the minute I bounced, and now that time has come. Boy, I'm so about it like a motherfucker. Boy, I'm so about it, about it, about it. Boy, I'm so about it like a motherfucker. Boy, I'm so about it like a motherfucker. Everything different. You ain't about it like I'm about a boy. I still run your city, and I'm still out of town, boy. I've been about it this year. Ain't no one coming around me this year. Unless you flew out to Los Angeles, got on the guest list, and look till you found me this year. I'm about it. I've been about it this year. I'm about so deep that I'm drowning this year. I ain't gonna do no more features or fuck with you clown boys. I hope that y'all drown in your tears. I'm about it. I've been about it so long. I'm about it. Los Angeles is my new home. I'm about it. I told y'all that you would regret it the minute I bounced, and now that time has come.